In this video, I'll show you how to enable Face ID for App Store. So if you have been frequently asked to sign in with your Apple ID whenever you're trying to install any apps on your iPhone, then here's how you actually can disable it, and you can use the Face ID in order to install any apps on your iPhone. But before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to do this process, you just open up the settings app from your iPhone and then scroll down to the Face ID. And once you get the Face ID, go ahead and tap on this and enter your phone passcode in order to get into the Face ID settings. And once you're here inside the Face ID settings, you'll get to see the option iTunes and App Store. It's currently turned off, so just need to enable this feature. This will record your Apple ID password, so just go ahead and enter the password here. Once you do that, the iTunes and the App Store will be enabled. Now we just need to get back from here, and if I open up the App Store, and if I try to download the app again, this will actually ask you to double click to the power button. So if I double click here, this will record my Face ID here. You'll get to see the app has been started installing here. And this is how you can enable the Face ID for App Store. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.